In the quiet landscapes of an Indonesian rubber plantation, a chilling tale unfolds, a tale of a deadly encounter between a woman and a 22-foot python. In these vast and verdant expanses, a 54-year-old woman named Jara found herself face to face with this colossal reptile. Going about her day, working as a tree tapper, Jara was unaware of the lurking danger that would soon envelop her. The plantation, typically bustling with the sounds of nature and workers, transformed into the setting of a chilling predator-prey narrative. In this unsuspecting environment, the python, a creature known for its strength and size, made its deadly move. Jara, swallowed whole by this 22-foot beast, became an unsuspecting victim in her own workplace. This Indonesian rubber plantation, a place of livelihood for many, was momentarily morphed into a terrifying hunting ground. As the story unfolds, it serves as a stark reminder of the dangers that lurk in the wild. The woman's remains were found intact inside the snake's stomach, a horrifying testament to the raw power of nature. As shocking as this incident is, it is not without reason. The pythons are not invading our world. We are encroaching theirs. Indonesia has a significant python population, and these reptiles are native to a wide variety of habitats, from jungles and grasslands to rocky areas and swamps. They are non-venomous constrictors, relying on their strength to subdue prey. They are solitary animals, usually active at night and adept at stealth. But when their territories are disturbed and their natural food sources are depleted, they have no choice but to venture into human-populated areas. Deforestation, the act of clearing vast areas of forests, has become a widespread issue in Indonesia. It's not just about losing trees, it's about disrupting ecosystems. For the pythons, it means the loss of their homes and their hunting grounds. It forces them to go beyond their usual boundaries in search of food and shelter. And this is where the paths of humans and pythons cross. Now, instead of feeding on their usual diet of small to medium-sized mammals, these displaced pythons are coming into contact with humans more frequently. And although incidents of pythons attacking humans are rare, they are not unheard of. A python, after all, is a creature of instinct, and when faced with a threat or potential food, it will act accordingly. But let's not forget, it's not the python's fault. It's a consequence of the choices we make, choices that affect the delicate balance of nature. The boundaries between the wilderness and human settlements are becoming increasingly blurred, and as we continue to infringe upon these territories, we force the wildlife into a corner. It's a grim reminder that our actions have consequences, and in this case, those consequences can be fatal. As we continue to disrupt their natural habitats, snake experts warn that such incidents may only increase. It's a wake-up call for all of us to respect our co-inhabitants on this planet, to understand that we share this world with a myriad of other species, all of which have as much right to their homes as we do to ours. This tragic incident serves as a wake-up call to the harsh reality of our actions on nature. As we clear vast swaths of forest and encroach upon the natural habitats of these magnificent creatures, we inadvertently put ourselves in direct conflict with them. The python, one of the world's largest snakes, is being pushed to the brink as its environment is destroyed and food sources become scarce. Consequently, these reptiles have no choice but to venture into human settlements in search of sustenance, leading to fatal encounters such as the one we've just discussed. But it's not all doom and gloom. We can change the narrative by adopting preventive measures. For example, local communities can be educated about the behavior of these animals and how to avoid confrontations. Regular patrols can be set up in areas known for wildlife activity, and warning signs can be posted to deter locals from straying too far into the forest. Moreover, we should strive to preserve and restore the natural habitats of these creatures, promoting a balanced coexistence. We can also leverage technology to our advantage. Infrared cameras and motion sensors can be used to detect wildlife activity near human settlements. These early warning systems can alert residents, giving them ample time to take necessary precautions. This tragedy brings to light the urgent need for a shift in our approach towards wildlife. It underscores the importance of understanding and respecting the boundaries of these animals, and the role we play in preserving our shared ecosystem. It is a stark reminder that we share this world with other creatures, and it is our responsibility to ensure we live in harmony. This tragic incident, while shocking, is a consequence of our actions. Jara's untimely demise underscores the stark reality of increasing python-human encounters, a direct fallout of rampant deforestation. As we venture further into their territories, these majestic creatures are left with no choice but to defend their homes. Jara's story is a grim reminder of the precarious line we tread as we disrupt the natural habitats and food sources of these creatures. It's a stark wake-up call, a reminder of the delicate balance of nature that we must strive to maintain.